men who understand. I am a representative of the men who understand what a great honor it is to pay tribute to women. We understand and know that 1 month of recognition for women will always come up short in giving women their just due. 1 month for someone whose very nature is to nurture, protect, raise, and save a family. 1 month for someone who has given her life for her children, given up her dreams for her mate and children. 1 month for all the women who work 9 to 5 with stress dominating on their insides as they survive with pride. 1 month for all those women who on a daily basis face the trials of raising a family alone, facing racism and sexism alone. On this day, we, the men of understanding, bow to every woman in our view because we see the jewels in you. We see the flowers in you, and we know that without you, there would be no populations or nations. Glow every day in the many names that are worthy of your strength, beauty, grace, ability to survive the harshest storms that man and life sometimes bring to you. Glow with your walk and talk, in your heels and flats. Glow, for you are known for unconditional love and a warrior's mentality when you need be. Glow with your black skin, brown skin, fair skin, and light skin. Glow because you have the ability to bring forth life. Enjoy that month and every day, for we, the men of understanding, know that God was just showing off when he made